Hello students. On this page you will find additional supports for the instruction provided in class for Standard 6.RP.2 unit rates. You will find support in the form of videos, the notes that we took in class, and both online and offline practice. You can print the offline practice for yourself and check it in class. Once you've had the opportunity to review and practice, please fill out the feedback and take a quick formative assessment to gauge your expertise at finding unit rates. This will help you and me know what additional support you may need in this subject. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.